आज हम आपकी वर्कशीट नंबर 81 कक्षा 10वीं विज्ञान इंग्लिश मीडियम डिस्कस करेंगे. As you know that your chapter carbon its compound is going on. Today we'll discuss about the allotropes of carbons. So generally when we talk allotropes, there are two allotropes when we talk graphite and diamond. Graphite, it is having hexagonal arrays placed in layers one above the another, while diamond is a rigid three-dimensional structure. Each carbon atom bonded to three other carbon atoms in case of graphite, but in case of diamond each carbon is bonded to four other. Diamond is hardest non-substance, bad conductor of electricity, and it is used for cutting tools in the jewelry industry, while graphite is smooth and slippery, good conductor, and uses as a lubricant and pencil. When we talk of saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds, compounds made up of hydrogen and carbon are known as hydrocarbons. In case of saturated, we talk of alkanes, general formula CnH2n plus 2. In case of unsaturated, there are two types, alkenes and alkyne, general formula CnH2n or CnH2n minus 2. In case of saturated, there is single bonding, while unsaturated double and triple bonding is there. Then the electron dot structure of ethane, very important, you can see. And in case of unsaturated, ethene and ethyne. So let's see the question answers. First question, what are hydrocarbons? Give example. Compounds made up of carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. Example, methane, ethane you can write. Which of the following is good conductor of electricity? Diamond and graphite. And why? Graphite, because it have one free electron. You can write. What is fullerene? How it is different from the two allotropes of carbon? Fullerene is a C60 carbon compound having pentagonal and hexagonal rings. It is the only allotrope soluble in many solvents. Ethyne is an unsaturated compound of carbon hydrogen having two number of carbon. General formula you can write alkane CnH2n, alkene CnH2n and alkyne CnH2n minus 2. Differentiate between unsaturated and saturated, you can write from the here single bonding and the example you can write. And for the electron dot structure, you can see these structures for methane, water, carbon dioxide and ethane. So hope you like the worksheet. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.